PC gamers have plenty of amazing video game titles to choose from Steam, and fantastic discounts on offer during the seasonal sales. It's the perfect way to get great gaming experiences at cheaper prices. Not everyone is a fan of Steam. Customers are often unsatisfied with service due to long-standing issues, most notably the lack of stellar customer support. If you're looking for alternatives to Steam for your PC gaming needs, then I've got 5 options that you should definitely check out. It's worth looking around and finding the best fit for your gaming needs. Coming up next on Zane's Tech. First up is PlayStation Now, which is a game streaming service for use with the PlayStation 4 or Windows PC. It's not available for Mac or Linux yet. With the service, you can get on-demand access to more than 500 PS3 and PS4 games. For me, it was worth it just to be able to play Red Dead Redemption on a PC. They're currently offering a 7-day free trial. After that ends, the cost is $19.99 per month. Also on PC, a DualShock 4 controller is required along with an internet connection of 5 megabits per second or greater. PlayStation Now is a cool service. I'm surprised more people aren't using Direct Drive. It used to be in the IGN game store. It has since been purchased by a holding company and is now run as an independent business. They still offer a large selection of games that can be downloaded from the site. They now also sell games that require DRM activation on services like Steam. Direct Drive's another option to score some great deals on games. Itch.io is for those of you that like to play indie games. You will find many of the popular independent developers now are publishing their games here. The pricing can vary quite a bit, and there's a healthy selection of free games to play too. If you want curated collections, check out their bundles section to install, update, and play indie games. Itch.io now has a desktop app for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Uplay, which is owned by Ubisoft, is another service that is similar to Origin. You can find the latest titles from Ubisoft here, sometimes the lower costs than elsewhere. Ubisoft games can also be found on Steam many times. To be able to play a Ubisoft game, both Steam and Uplay have to be running at the same time. For Ubisoft are required to DRM to play one game is absolutely absurd. If you don't play Ubisoft games, there is no need for you to use this platform. Last but not least is Microsoft Store, which they used to call the Windows Store. It's an app that's part of the Windows 10 operating system. It has a decent amount of quality games. But what makes the Microsoft Store winner for me is that you'll find many franchises like Forza Motorsport that were once exclusive to Xbox consoles, which are now available for Windows 10 with cross-platform multiplayer. Now I have something nice to say about Microsoft. So don't fall out of your chair. Making Xbox titles that were once exclusive to console users available on PC is the smartest decision Microsoft has made in years. Thanks for watching. All the links are in the description. Give this video a thumbs up if it was useful for you. What is your favorite gaming service? Let me know in the comments. If you are new to this channel, be sure to click that subscribe button and bell notification icon for more tech alternatives from Zane's Tech.